Hey everybody, Guys from GotTechED here. Today I'm going to show you how to use a simple feedback tool to add any type of audio to your Google Slides using this tool right here, Mote. Check it out. Now it's time to show you how to leave feedback in Google Slides using a couple short steps. First, go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Mote, and download the Mote extension. Next, go up to your extension toolbar and click on the Mote icon. From here, we're going to want to sign in. If you are successful, you'll be able to see your email. Next up, go to any Google Slides presentation that you want to leave feedback on. Find the Mote icon in Google Slides, click on it. You will be prompted to record your Mote. Click on the Mote icon to start your recording to give feedback to your students, colleagues, or parents. This is me giving feedback to anyone that I need to give feedback to. When you are finished, click on the Mote icon again, and it will give you a preview of your Mote that you just recorded. You can play your preview of that Mote, you could rewind it, or you could delete it. From there, insert your Mote into your Google Slides presentation. Once your Mote has rendered, you will see it in the lower left-hand corner of your Google Slides presentation where anyone can access it. Thanks for checking out this video on Mote for Slides. I hope that you go out, leave lots of feedback for your students while saving time and showing them that you care. Till next time, check it out.